So according to the previous classes, we discussed about packages. So packages are the place where we can find several number of classes and interfaces regarding to particular package. So this is one kind of a concept which leads to us, or which it states that data hiding is possible with the form of in the form of packages, where we can hide the classes and interfaces inside it. So if you want to access any kind of class or interface, you must know the particular package where it is located. Based on that location, we are supposed to import that package into our classes wherever it is required. See, I discussed this topic in the previous classes also, but again I am repeating it or briefing it once again. In the last class, we didn't execute the program. Now today I am going to show the execution of the packages, how it is going to be done. So let us get into the details of it. So a package represents a directory that contains a related group of classes and interfaces. So based on the different types of packages, we have several classes inside it. So if we have a package called as java.io package, so it contains classes related to the input and output streams. These are the several classes, not only the input output streams, several classes which are related to input and output related issues. Along with them, there are other interfaces are also available in the IO package. Now coming to the java.lang package, it is a basic package which is defaultly applicable or defaultly imported by the Java compiler. As we know, while we are executing a program, we are using one kind of a concept called as a system class system. So this is one kind of a class which is available in the lang package. So coming to the next package, that is java.awt. It is one sort of a package where we are trying to design different types of graphic related issues like creating a window, adding a text to that window, adding components to that window. Different types of graphical representations can be done by using a package called as java.awt. Now next, the other package which is part of AWT is event package, which is a separate package which handles only the events. Now events are nothing but where we are trying to generate one kind of a initiation when we click a particular button on the window. If you click a radio button on the window. So this is one kind of a event which has to be handled. So to handle such kind of things, we are supposed to include or import java.awt.event package, which contains all the event related classes and interfaces. Next, coming to the packages in detail, there are of two types, built-in packages and user-defined packages. So when we use packages, let us consider the advantages of it. So package is used to categorize the classes and interfaces so that they can be easily maintained. So all the related, let us say that if I am talking about input and output streams, then all the related classes and interfaces which are related to the input output will be grouped under one name that is called as a package, that is java.io. And it also provides some access protection because they are hidden in nature. And package also removes the naming collisions. That is, there is no repetitions. That is, if the packages are of the same name, then it will be a solution for it. How it can be done, we will be observing such kind of logics in the program in the coming classes. Now this is a simple example where package has been created. That is, the name of the package is mypack. So to create a package, first of all, you have to write a syntax, that is package mypack. Mypack may be any name, package any name of the package which has to be given. In this example, we have given a name called as my package. In this my package, that is my package, a class will be included into it. A class here is simple. Simple name of the class is simple, in which it contains a welcome to package statement. Next, the compilation of the package is different when coming to the, when we come across the normal compilation of a program. When we compile a normal Java program, we don't see such kind of a thing, that is -d, Java C -d followed by the directory file name. So something like this. Java C -d dot space simple dot Java. So it is different when we are compared to the previous type of compilation. So whenever you are trying to compile any package, you need to use Java C space -d space dot space simple dot Java, the name of the file. It can be anything. So after compiling it, you can observe one type of a folder will be created in the current working directory. Okay, you will be having you will see one kind of a folder which is part of your current working directory with the name called as mypack. According to this program, we have a mypack as a package. So a folder will be created in the name of the mypack. So next, we will see now how we can access packages from another package. There are two ways to access a package from outside the package, that is import package name dot class name, or you can directly access through import package dot star. So these are the two ways in which a package can be accessed. So if you know a particular class name, you can import directly that class name based on the package which it belongs to. Now, if you are not sure which class is there as part of a particular package, then you just simply add a star to it, asterisk symbol to it. Then all the classes which are part of a particular package can be imported into. So whichever is required, that will be imported. Not all the classes which are imported into your program. So if you import all the classes of a particular package, it means the program size may be increasing. This can be one doubt. So make sure that here import package dot star, it is nothing but whichever classes have been used in your program, their related issues will be imported into your program. That's it. Nothing other than that. So this is one kind of example program. In this, similarly, one package is created named as mypack, in which one class is included, that is addition class. So addition is one kind of a class where we can be using it, which contains a definition like it contains two double variables. It is adding two variables and it is displaying some of the two variables. So this is one kind of a class called as addition, which is part of a package. So next, how to use the package. So let me show you this execution part. So already we have written this program long back. Let me show you that program somewhere else here. I think everyone able to see the window, that is screen. So we have an addition class. Let me close this. First of all, let me delete this directory. Next, see, we have written this program. This is our program. In this program, we are creating one package, that is mypack class addition. in which we are trying to accept values at runtime, and based on the values, we are adding the two variables values. So this is our program. So try to observe here, there is no main method inside it. There is no main method inside this program. So it is not needed right now. It is not at all needed right now. So what we can do with this program? Just we compile this program. How we are going to compile this program? Go to the run command prompt. Go to the current working directory where all the programs have been. Is the directory where all the programs have been saved. Now you just compile the program called as addition.java by using a java c space our class name is addition.java. See, it is compiled. Okay. Now, what is the result of this compilation? The result of this compilation can be seen in your directory, current working directory. That is, we have a folder called as Java programs in which we have a folder have been created. You try to observe here, when I compiled this addition.java file, my directory, current work directory will be included with a folder called as my pack. So what does it contain actually? My pack folder will be created as part of compilation. So inside it, you can observe here addition.class file is included into this folder. I think everyone able to see this. That is addition.class file will be included as part of my package. Okay, when I compiled addition.java, my current working directory included with a folder named as mypack. Inside it, we have a .class file. Now this class file will be used for execution. Now how to execute this program? So I want to use this package which contains addition class. So let me minimize this. I will create one more. Let me create one more document. So let me open this. Let me copy the code which I have here. This is what we are trying to access a package mypack in which we have an addition class. So from addition class, I'm trying to access the constructor which is part of this addition class. Along with that, I'm using an object of the particular addition class, and I'm accessing a sum method which is part of this addition class. So the class which is using this package is use. Okay, use is a class name in which I'm trying to access addition class which is part of my package. So I will save as use.java. Save it on desktop or something. Okay. No, no, no. Save it under. Okay, I saved it here on the current working directory. So let me compile this once again program. That is Java C space. What is the class name which has been given? Use dot Java. It is compiled. Now I will run this program Java. In this program, you try to observe here the sum is 25.5 because I gave the values. I think it is closed. Let me open this program once again. In this, I gave values as 10, comma 15.5 as values, which is applied to the constructor, and the constructor will be assigning those values 10 and 10, 15.5 to the D1 and D2, and the D1 and D2 will be added in the method called as sum. Okay, D1 and D2 will be added, and that will be displayed. Sum is 25.5. So this is about package creation and execution, usage of package and creation of package. Let us get into the PPTs. So this is about packages. Oh, if you want to include one more class inside the package, you can write the same package name mypack public class subtraction. So I want to add subtraction as another class which is to be included into the mypack. After that, what will happen? You will be creating one more usage of that subtraction, addition and subtraction. It will be used in the another way. Let me do this once again. Okay, let me write this program. Which one? The subtraction. Package my pack is there. Okay, everything is same. So it contains a sub method double A double B A minus B return. Okay, I will save it as subtraction subtraction dot java. Okay, subtraction dot java. Subtraction. Okay, I will save it. After that, what we have to do? Go to the command prompt, compile it. But this time it is not addition.java, it is saved in the desktop, I think so. File is not found, it is saying. So let me save this somewhere else here. Yeah, the Java programs. Let me save this. Yeah. Next, go to the command prompt again. Let me compile this. So what has happened? There is some problem regarding the package. Okay. Let me write this. Package my pack followed by semicolon. So public static the program here. First of all, we need a class. CLS class subtraction. After that, we have a public static providing something is there. Double. Okay, public static double sub is a method. Inside it, I am creating I'm opening it, writing a return statement, return of a minus b, followed by semicolon. That is what it is missing. Okay. First of all, let me delete this file which have been saved. So this is a file which has been created newly once again with the same name because there is some kind of a problem. So let me save it as subtraction again. Subtraction dot Java. Where I'm saving it. I'm saving it under Java program. Okay, I'm saving it. After that, let me minimize it. Let me close this once again. Let me close command prompt. I will restart it. Okay. Java C hyphen D subtraction dot Java. What happened? It is not included. Why? Subtraction.java not found. Where did I save it? Java programs. Yeah, it is there. Subtraction. Subtraction. Yeah. So there is. Yeah. Let me compile it once again. So now it is compiled. You can see here in the directory. Let me go to the directory where my pack is there. So you can observe here subtraction class is also added over here in the my pack package. And after that, we will use the same program add with some other code, subtraction code also. Okay, yeah, double result equals to subtraction dot sub. Because it is a static method, I am using a class name over here, sub of, I will use 20 comma 15.5. Okay, after that what we have to do, result will be displayed. How to display result? By using let me write this. So this is what we have a class to use. But here we have to change it. Import mypack dot, because we are accessing both classes which are part of it. So what we have to do? First we have to put star followed by semicolon. So save it. Let's go to the command prompt. Cannot access addition. File cannot contain class addition. Please remove or make sure to the separate source path. Okay. So there will be a problem, that is when you are compiling this one. So what we have to do, first of all, you need to copy this. You have to remove the file in the current working directory file, that is a source file. You copy it somewhere else. Let us see now what happens. Same thing. Let us remove the source files which are in the current working directory. So I'm removing them. Yeah, I removed it. Now it is okay. After that, Java views. So you can observe here, that is sum is 25.5, result is 4.5, that is 20 minus 15.5. So this is how we can include classes into the packages. And how to access them. And we can also include interfaces inside it also. Okay. So I think it is enough for today. One more thing I want to tell you,